Business owners and aspiring entrepreneurs, we have something to share with you. The very first step to having a successful business. We'll reveal to you upfront and give you more context as we go. So hang out with us for a few minutes. If you're a fast listener, speed this video up by clicking settings within the video and adjusting the playback speed to your liking. Okay, self-made CEOs, let's get into it. Plain and simple, the very first step to having a successful business is believing you deserve it. This is an attitude principle. You have been conditioned to work and produce for others. Now, as you step into the realm of business ownership, you may not think it's okay to be the means, your own direct source for generating income for your livelihood, questioning if having your own successful business, employees, and contractors work to serve your goals and dreams. As a business owner, you must believe that your business deserves to be lucrative, thriving, wealthy, strategic, and sustainable, just like any other corporation or organization you've worked for or slaved for. Business 101. We want you to be mindful that being a business owner has its slew of troubles. But trouble is not bad in business. It's actually expected. As the president of your grassroots company, you must have a business mindset to handle the difficulties and struggles that come with business ownership. If your business is derived from something you are personally good at doing that solves problems, it will grow. It will succeed. Your revenue will increase. Additional monetization strategies and partnerships will come to fruition. Remember, it just takes a little time. Time can look very different for many business owners and entrepreneurs. It can be a few weeks, months, or even years, based on your products and service offerings, market entry, and seasonality for the business to pay off. But it will. Your business will be successful. You are deserving of your own successful business, something to call your own, something that generates wealth and a legacy for you and yours, along with additional benefits, privileges, and freedoms it comes with. Operate and execute with this attitude that you deserve it, the same way CEOs of Fortune 500 companies and owners of huge corporations do. And you will be 100% successful. Just don't give up. It all starts with you believing you deserve to have a successful business, delivering what you're specifically good at doing that you've bottled into a product or service with a comparable price tag that solves other people's problems. Let this business competency of you deserving to have a successful business accelerate you today to move forward in starting or continuing with your business and continuously meeting the needs of your target audience. Now, what are you waiting for? Go be a successful business owner and entrepreneur. Business owners, we believe in you. We welcome you today to promote your business down below in the comments section of this video only. We as well want you to be successful. If you found this video to be of value, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell so you'll never miss a video. Where we live, learn, and create.